Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Onale Apiwe congratulated the class of 2025 matrics, and she also did give a special shout out specifically to the matrics who lived in KwaZulu Natal, because as you guys know, if you're in South Africa and if you watch the news, KwaZulu Natal came first place in the whole of South Africa with 90.6% pass rate. Like, that is such a flex, and congratulations to all the matrics. And it's very nice of her, man. It's very nice of her. It's again, I like a present influencer. That's it. I like a present influencer, an influencer who is aware. And as much as she's in the music industry, and she did say that she's going to go back to school, but it does show that she still cares about education. It's still as important to her, even though she's in the music industry. And if she does decide to go back to school, I will definitely update you guys and let you guys know what and where or what she's studying. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Sanibongela ukuthi niphasile. Ngiyazi niphasile. Kodwa ke mina ngidliwa kudweshukela ngaphakathi. Isizura nje yangidla nje. Hey baby. Iyangidla isizura. Sengiyangisa nawe ukuthi ke laba hlezi besibiza ngamatsulu. Baphase nje. Baphase itsiba nice nje. Baphase into ongayazi. Yazi baphasa umhlokomelo. Ngoba besibiza ngamatsulu nje. Umhlokomelo umuntu lona uphasile. Umhlokomelo umuntu lona uphasile ke mina ke. Mina ngiphethe isizura na yini iphasile. Ngicela kodwa ke phinde nisibiza ngamatsulu. Uma nani phasa